guys, I'm Julie. Welcome to my handmade channel. Today we're going to make these beautiful earrings with pressed flower, just in 6 simple steps. This is the resin I'm going to use today. It's mainly for UV lighting and it's so handy for small projects. I bought it on Amazon for about $24. Before we start, the first step is to create a small dome around the mold so that we will have a better looking at the outside. It takes a bit of time and patience, but please don't skip this step. I promise you will get much better surface and you will be happy with that. Put under lighting for about 30 seconds. If it becomes hard enough, you can go for the next step. If it is still soft, please add more time. Step 2 is our favorite moment of adding the flowers and other adorable small parts. As the mold is quite deep this time, I decided to put all elements in 3 times. For each time, put in lighting for 1 minute. Add some sparkling flakes if you want. I also add some little pearls to make it look more beautiful. Then we can put in the large flower, which is the main character for today. Always adjust the position to find a best looking. Great! The third step is about adding color to the bottom so that it won't be that transparent. I only add a little bit of white pastel stick. Stir it to look evenly on the surface. Before we cure it, we could add the earring parts on the top of the surface. Hold it in place with a nipper and put them together under the lighting. Hold for several seconds till it is steady. And we are almost there! Take it out from the mold. The edges are not perfect. Don't worry, we can always sand the surface. Finally, we apply a top coat of resin to make it as smooth as possible. We're done! Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel or have a look at my Instagram. See you next time. Bye!